Hi there. Did you know the largest Buddhist temple, which is one of the seven wonders the world, is in Indonesia? Yes, you are right. They call it Borobudur Temple. But what is Borobudur Temple? Borobudur Temple is a Buddhist temple located in Borobudur, Magelang, Central Java. This temple is located approximately 100 kilometers southwest of Semarang, 86 west of Surakarta, and 40 kilometers northwest of Yogyakarta. This temple, with many stupa, was founded by Mahayana Buddhists around 1880. During the reign of Saranada dynasty, Borobudur is the largest Buddhist temple or shrine in the world, as well as one of the largest Buddhist monuments in the world. This monument consists of 6 square terraces on top of which there are 3 circular courtyards. The walls are decorated with 2,672 relief statues. Borobudur has the most complete and the largest collections of Buddhist relief in the world. The largest main stupa is located in the center and the crowns in the building, surrounded by 3 circular rows of 72 perforated legit in perfect lotus positions with Dharma Chakra Mudra or turning the wheel of Dharma.
According to historical evidence, Borobudur was abandoned in the 14th century as the influence of Hindu and Buddhist kingdom in Java weakened and the influence of Islam began to enter. The world began to become aware of the existence of this building since it was discovered in 1814 by Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles, who at that time served as British Governor-General of Java. Since then, Borobudur has undergone a series of rescue and restoration efforts. The largest restoration project was carried out in the period of 1975 to 1982 through the efforts of Government of the Republic of Indonesia and UNESCO. Then, this historic site was included in the list of World Heritage Sites. According to historical evidence, Borobudur was abandoned in the 14th century as the influence of Hindu and Buddhist kingdom in Java weakened and the influence of Islam began to enter. The world began to become aware of the existence of this building since it was discovered in 1814 by Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles, who at that time served as British Governor-General of Java. Since then, Borobudur has undergone a series of rescue and restoration efforts. The largest restoration project was carried out in the period of 1975 to 1982 through the efforts of Government of the Republic of Indonesia and UNESCO. Then, this historic site was included in the list of World Heritage Sites.
The name Borobudur was first written in a book called The History of Java by Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles. Raffles wrote about a monument called Borobudur, but there are no older documents that mention the same name. The only ancient Javanese text that provides clues about existence of a sacred Buddhist building that may refer to Borobudur is Nagara Kertagama, written by Empu Prapanca in 1365. The name Borobudur, which was later written Borobudur, was probably written by Raffles in English grammar to reverse the village close the temple named Village of Boro. Most temples are often named by village where the temple stand. Raffles also suspect the meaning of Budur is ancient. However, other archaeologists think the name Budur comes from the term Budara, which means mountain.
Historian C.G. Deskaspari in his dissertation for doctorate in 1950 argued that Borobudur was a place of worship. Based on the Karangtengah and Tritapusan inscription, Kaspari estimates that the founder of Borobudur was the king of Mataram from the Sailendra dynasty named Samaratungga, who carried out the construction around 8 to 15 350 AD. The giant building was only complete during the time of his daughter Pramudawardhani. The construction of Borobudur is estimated to take half the century. The Karangtengah inscription also mentioned the granting of Saimaland, tax-free land, by Kri Kahulununan Pramudawardhani to maintain Kamulan called Bumi Sambara. The term Kamulan itself comes from the word Mula, which means place of origin. The sacred building by glorify ancestor, possibly ancestor of the Sailendra dynasty. Kasparis estimate that Bumi Sambara Bahu Budara in Sanskrit, which means hills of the collection of virtues the 10 level of bodhisattvas is the original name of Borobudur.
In a sense, Borobudur is a stupa that when viewed from above, form a large mandala pattern. Mandala is a complex pattern composed of square and concentric circle that symbolize the cosmos or universe, commonly found in Vajrayana Mahayana Buddhism. The 10 courtyard owned by Borobudur clearly illustrate the philosophy of the Mahayana school, which simultaneously illustrates the cosmology of the concepts of the universe, as well as the levels of the mind Buddhist teaching. Borobudur described the 10th level of bodhisattva that must be paced to achieve perfection as a Buddha. The basic square plan measures 123 meters on each side. This building has 9 terraces, namely the bottom 6 terraces are square and the top 3 terraces are circular. Borobudur is a masterpiece of Indonesian Buddhist art, an example of the pinnacle of achieving harmony between architectural techniques and the aesthetic of Buddhist art in Java. This building is inspired by Dharma ideas from India, namely stupas and mandalas, but is believed to also a continuation of local elements, abundant terraces, megalithic structure or step pyramid discovered from prehistoric period of Indonesia, as a combination of native Indonesian ancestor worship and the struggle to achieve nirvana in Buddhist teaching.